with multiple locations throughout North Shore, northwest suburbs of Chicago, Illinois. Emergency Plumbing offers prompt and professional plumbing services. Areas: Arlington Heights, Bannockburn, Barrington, Buffalo Grove, Deerfield, Deer Park, Des Plaines, Elk Grove Village, Glencoe, Glenview, Hawthorn Woods, Highland Park, Highwood, Hoffman Estates, Indian Creek, Inverness, Kildeer, Lake Bluff, Lake Forest, Lake Zurich, Long Grove, Mettawa, Lincolnshire, Mount Prospect, Mundelein, Northbrook, Palatine, Prospect Heights, Ravinia, RiverWoods, Rolling Meadows, Vernon Hills, Wauconda, Wheeling, Wilmette, Winnetka.